Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to try and identify the trend in market of the week using the strength and weakness analysis. So you can see here on the strength and weakness table, in the Forex market outlook, we identified that the Swiss franc was the weakest currency of last week and it dropped by 3 places, heading towards the -6 number. And CAD was one of the strongest. Now, when we look at this chart in a moment, you'll see that the reason why these two numbers are different is because the market is trending to the upside. And if I go to that chart now, you can see the market is making really nice higher highs and higher lows. We can see when price came and retested this structure down here around about 0.6980s, the market found some support, change trend, and we had that higher high pattern coming in. Once we see that, what we look for is a higher low to come in place at previous structure resistance, turning into support, and price continues to make that trend. So again, all we look for is price to come back into previous structure to look for long positions on our lower time frames. So if that strength and weakness is going to continue going into this week, then we should expect this trend to continue also. And looking at the 4-hour time frame here, we can see that price is currently in a retracement phase, coming back down towards this previous structure level here around about 0.7075. So what we can determine from the strength and weakness analysis is that price should be trending to the upside. The market is making those higher highs. Where do we want to be buyers? At previous structure resistance, turning into possible support. How can we get involved with that? Well, if price comes down into this area here, we can look for the market to find some change in cycle patterns on our lower time frame. So we can look for double bottoms, we can look for inverse head and shoulders. But ultimately, we want the market to, on the lower time frame, to kind of provide us with what happened here, where the market double bottomed, broke to the upside, retested, and continued up. We want to see that in that area there, because when we look at trending environments, when the market are in these impulses and retracement phases, on lower time frames there'll be trends within these moves. So typically on a 4-hour, if you go to your 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, you'll see the market trending to the upside. On the pullbacks, you'll see the 15-minute time frame trending down back into a key area of support, and so on and so forth. So when price gets back down into this area, look for those change in cycle patterns. It's an early sign that the impulse move is about to continue. Try and trade back up into previous structure highs. Hope you enjoyed this video update, and I'll speak to you in the next one.